Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the power bar in 8-ball pool. To change the power bar in 8-ball pool, first of all, open up the 8-ball pool game on your device and go to the main menu. From the main home screen, tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open up the settings interface where you need to scroll and find the power bar options. Here, you'll need to go ahead and choose the power bar setting you are trying to change. Go to the power bar location option and adjust your power bar location from left to right by choosing the left or right button. Next to power bar orientation, choose whether you'd like to adjust your orientation from horizontal to vertical, and under power bar type, make sure to choose the type of your power bar from classic, modern or slider. Change the options according to your preference, and once you do that, you will then be able to change your power bar options in 8-ball pool. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more videos like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.